Good day, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. We're here aboard a 230 Vantage Boston Whaler. What an awesome boat. You can see the console area is laid out very nice. Big comfortable seat that also flips up into a bolster. Nice roomy area in the front, and there is a filler cushion that fills in this whole front area so you can lay out, lounge, enjoy. This boat is equipped with a Mercury outboard. Has nice comfortable seating, and this seat is unique in its fashion that it lays down, can make a lounger for you. It can go back into a conventional seating area. Very, very nice setup. Got a great area here with a sink, shower head that does remove, and a fantastic Yeti cooler. Boat also has an enclosed head and a big back comfortable seat. All right, for more information on this boat, please feel free to call me, Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart. Thank you for watching.